Now format. So within the geom box plot, we can add many things. For example, if we would like to hide the or drop the outlier, then out. If we write first three letter, then R Studio suggested all command based on outlier. So we will select this and it will be false. False. If we type false, then outlier will be removed. There is no outlier. But we will keep true. Second, outlier color out. Yes, suggested. So we need outlier color. So here, for example, red. If we run, yes, the color of outlier is red. Yeah. So if we modify the size of outlier size, for example, it will be 2. Yeah. Another, the pattern of box. So this box is rectangle, so we can modify the pattern of box. It's called the nose. A-N-O-T-C-H. Nose is equal to true. If it's true, then yeah, this is the we can modify the pattern of box. So using this procedure, we can modify anything. So I would request please practice. Please go to the help menu, then you'll get all types of format.